Good day everyone, welcome to part 5 of our supplemental video. So in this video, we're gonna be answering an example for field of an electric dipole. Pag sinabi nating dipole, this basically means na meron tayong dalawang charges na merong equal magnitude pero magkaiba sila ng signs or opposite sila ng signs. Ang isa is positive, the other one is negative. But in terms of magnitude, they are the same and they are separated by a distance. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the problem. So point charge Q1 is equal to positive 12 nanocoulomb and Q sub 2 is equal to negative 12 nanocoulomb are 0.100 meters apart. So all we have to do here is we are going to compute the electric field caused by Q1, caused by Q2, and the total field at point A, at point B, and at point C. Now, kung mapapansin natin dito, the problem or the statement itself is not somehow convincing kasi parang kulang siya. So, ibig sabihin, yung illustration natin dito plays a very big role or it plays a significant role kasi itong illustration natin dito contains many information which will help us be able to solve the problem. Okay? That is why, kung titingnan natin yung given values natin, we only have 3. We have charges and the distance of separation between them. But the informations about the field points are not given. Okay? So, before we proceed, let us try to discuss or let us try to explain the illustration that we have here. Now, we have charge 1, we have charge 2, and we also have field points A, field points B, field points C. Okay? Now, kung hahanapin natin yung electric field 1 on A, basically, that involves electric field, charge 1, and field point A. Okay, so let's label it accordingly. So kung hanapin natin yung E1A, basically we are dealing with this one. Okay, so yung tinatawag nating E1B is that one. Okay ba? Now, yung tinatawag naman nating E1C is basically this one. Okay? I hope it's clear. So, let's proceed with the second charge. Kung magtatanong kayo kung saan yung E2A, simply it is this one. Bakit inward pa rin? Inward pa rin siya kasi negative charge. The charges, the electric field is going in. Okay? Now, how about yung E2B? Yung E2B natin is still inward. Papunta pa rin yan. And yung E2C natin, yung E2C natin ngayon dito is papasok pag ganito. Okay? That is because papasok yung electric field. So maapektuhan rin yung field point C natin, which will follow the direction of the electric field's direction. Okay? So para mas maging klaro sa atin, I'll try to label this one. So this one, ito naman is this one. Sorry. So ito siya is this one. Ito siya is this one. Ito siya is this one. Ito naman siya is this one. Okay? I hope it's clear. So, yan yung mga tinatawag nating components. Okay? Yan yung mga components ng electric fields natin. So, para hindi tayo masyadong magulo dito, I'll erase most of it or all of it na lang. So, kung titingnan natin dito, this is symmetric. Hati natin to into two parts. So, if we try to add this one, this is 10 centimeter. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung part dito, this is 5 cm. And this one is, obviously, that is 13 centimeter. So, kung hahanapin natin yung value ng E1CX, equal yung value niyan sa E2CX. Bakit kaya? It is because, tingin tayo, ito yung E1 natin, E1. Kung hahanapin natin yung E1CX, ito yon, di ba? Tapos kung hahanapin naman natin yung E2CX, this is the E2CX pa rin. They are the same. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pwede nating isulat dito that these two, i-write lang natin na kay masyadong makapal. E1CX is equal to E2CX. And that is equal also to E1C cos theta. Okay? Kasi if we try to extend this one, i-extend natin palitan natin ng color para klaro. Pag-extend natin yan, ganyan. Yan. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong known value. So, this is, yan is 13 cm. Ito naman siya, this is 5 cm. Okay? Ito siya, and this one is equal if we try to extend that. Okay? Now, kung hanapin natin yung value ng dito, yung E1CX or E2CX, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So, basically, if we try to write that one, ang mangyayari dyan ngayon is, ano kaya? Sige, try natin. So, we have E1C cos theta. Okay? So, yung cos theta natin, ano kaya yan? Sige, ano kaya yung E cos theta natin? So, basically, kailangan nating gumawa ng paraan kung paano natin makukuha yung value na yan. So, let's try to observe. E1C. Ano ba yung E1C natin? E1C. Okay. E1C. Sige. Unahin muna natin itong trigonometric function na lang. So, that is adjacent. Adjacent is 5. 5 over adjacent over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse natin is 13. Ayan. Meron na tayo. So, ibig sabihin yan, this is our cosine theta. Okay? And the other thing is, paano natin makukuha itong value na E1C? Ano kaya ang gagawin natin? Basically, we're going to apply the formula that we have for electric fields para makuha natin yung magnitude dito. So, yung formula niyan is E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay? Times charge. Okay, yung charge natin dito. Charge over r squared. Yan. Yan. So, if meron tayong isosolve mamaya, ito yung magiging reference natin. Okay? So, let's try to erase this one. Proceed tayo. Okay. Now, dito na, para mas maging klaro. So, ang ginagawa natin dito is we're going to find all the electric field it causes to all the field points na meron tayo. So, that is why, unahin muna natin yung E1A. And it will follow yung E1B, E1C. Pero pag matapos na natin yung E1A natin, same process na kaagad. So, pwedeng diretso-diretso na tayo. So, tingnan natin. Sige. Tingnan natin yung relationship. Again itong si E1A, E1A. Yan. Yan yung ibig nating sabihin. Yan siya. So, this. Sorry. So, this part. Ito yung part na hinahanap natin. Yan. Okay. Gets? Klaro? Please review. Now, yung formula natin for electric field is E1A is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught charge 1 over r squared. So, it's this one. So, pareho lang pala. Nandiyan na pala nakasulat. So, let's just input all the values that we have. Again, itong 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught natin is a constant value. Kaya, ganyan sa palagi. Itong charge 1 natin, that is 12 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. That is obvious doon sa pinakita natin kanina sa illustration. Itong R naman natin, this is the separation distance between field point A and charge 1. So, by doing the calculation, by doing the operation, ito yung magiging final answer natin. That is 3.0 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Ibig sabihin, yung unit natin for electric field is Newton per coulomb. So, since we already know how to get E1A, madali na sa ating kunin yung E1B, E1C. Ang papalitan lang natin sa calculations natin dito is obviously yung ang magbabago lang dito is yung R natin. Ito lang yung magbabago. Yung R natin dito is iba. So this is B, R, C naman natin dito is iba. So kung yung R natin dito sa RA is 0.060 meters, dito naman sa B natin, ano nga yung sa B natin? That is 0.04 meters. Yung sa RC naman natin, RC natin is 13. So that would be 0.13 meters. So yan. So babaguhin lang natin yung mga values na yan. Ilalagay lang natin dyan yan. Then ilalagay lang natin dyan yan. So that's it. That's how you do it. Ayan. For E to A, A to B, A to C, same procedure pa rin. Pero ngayon magbabago na yung charge natin. So kung isusulat ko yung solution dyan, magiging ganito. Just follow me. E to A is equal to 9.0 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared. Okay? Multiplied by, ano yung charge natin sa E2 natin? Yung charge natin sa E2 natin is, negative. Absolute value ng negative 12 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. Wait lang, erase natin. Masyadong madumi. Coulomb, yan. Tapos yung distance of separation ng E2A at ng Q, wait lang ha, ng Q2 natin, ito siya. So it's 4.0 centimeter. So that is 0.040. Okay. So let us try using our calculator if tama ba yung nakuha nating sagot. So tira natin na 9.0 times 10 to the power of 9 multiplied by 12 12 times 10 to the power of negative 9. Ang denominator natin is 0.040 squared. So yung makukuha nating sagot dyan is 6.8 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. So sa calculator natin, ang makukuha natin dyan is 67,500. Yan. So if we try or we would like to express it in scientific notation, mag-move lang tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 6.8 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Yan. Yan ngayon, yung nakuha natin. So again, katulad ng ginawa natin dito, yung R lang yung mababago dito na banda. So, do that and you will get the same result if you do it properly. Okay? So, yun lamang po for solving or for finding the values of the electric fields for each field points. Now, ngayon, where is it? Ngayon, we have to solve for vectors. Okay? Yung mga vectors na naman natin ngayon ang hanapin natin. So, vectors. So, electric field sub A. So, i-add natin lahat. Okay? So, basically, naging 9.8 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb yan. Kasi, pinag-add lang natin, ito siya, yan, at ito siya. And it resulted to that one. Okay. If it's clear. Dito naman sa letter B natin, yung electric field vector natin is this one. Bakit? Ito rin lang yan. Gagawin natin is this one and this one. Okay. So, take note na it is very important na ma-follow natin ng maayos yung process natin kay baka bali na pala yung ginagawa natin, ha? So, basically, that is negative 6.2 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. So, bakit kaya naging negative? Tingnan natin, ha? E1B, E2B. Sa direction siguro yan. Tingnan natin. Electric field. E1B is ang E1B natin is pataas. Tapos yung E1 yung B san yung B natin? Yung B natin is E1B is negative. Tapos yung E2B natin is positive. So negative ito. This is positive. Okay? Based on the directions. Kung i-base natin yung directions. Kaya yung final answer natin dito is negative 6.2 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Okay ba? So, let's proceed. Again, ha? Naging negative yan dahil yung E1B natin is negative. It is because going to the opposite direction. I-minimize nga natin kaya para maklaro ninyo. Yan. Ito siya is simply this one. It is going towards the negative direction. Samantalang ito siya, ano to? E2B. Yan. Yung E2B natin is positive. Yung E2B natin is positive ngayon. Okay? Because it goes towards that direction. Klaro ba? Kaya, kung i-add up natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng result na, wait lang ha, magkakaroon tayo ng result na negative 6.2 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Newton per coulomb. Tapos mayroong I hat tayo dito. That's to indicate that it's in vector form. Okay? So, sa letter C naman, ang hinahanap natin dito sa letter C is yung electric field at C, or electric field 1 on CX, electric field 2 on CX. So that's yun yung ginawa natin kanina, yung sinasabi nating E1 CX is equal lang yan sa E2 CX. Now, since they are both equal, pwede na nating sabihin that E1 C cos theta. Okay? Yan. Kaya ngayon, yung nakuha nating value sa A2C natin, kung titingnan natin yung E1CX, A2CX, kung dito sa taas, titingnan natin yung value natin is same, 6.39. Ito siya. Yan. Tapos yung isa naman is ito siya. So, it coincides. So basically, just do the operation and we'll have the answer for that. And that is 2.46 times 10 to the power of 3 Newton per coulomb. Okay? So based on symmetry, that is wait lang ha. Based on symmetry, we have E1y, E2y are equivalent opposite, so their sum is obviously 0. So hence, if we try to do the math, i-multiply natin to by 2. Bakit kaya? I-multiply natin yan by 2. It is because of the influence of the two electric fields na meron tayo. So that gives us our final answer to be equal to 4.9 times 10 to the power of 3 Newton per coulomb. Okay? I hope it's clear. Ganito yung process na gagawin natin. Okay? Now, let's try to look at what's written here below. So, pwede rin nating mahanap yung value ng electric field natin using this one. Okay? Electric field of point charge. So, this can also be the process na pwede ninyong gawin, na pwede ninyong gamitin. But in that case, we will no longer explaining that because it would give us too much time. Okay, so I hope you understand. So that would be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on our next one.